Hi, I'm JT with WTI. And while our phones nowadays have really good cameras on them, sometimes it's either not practical to use them or it's not safe for the phone. So having a 4K action camera like this GA420 from WOLFANG, you can get really good quality shots and have a lot more options and flexibility. I recently got an e-bike, and with the added speed and range came the concern that I might need some video proof if motorists forget to share the road. It's basically like a dash cam for my e-bike. And with the included waterproof case and mounting accessories, I easily mounted this to my helmet. Since I can't see either the front or the rear of the screen when it's on top of my head, I really like the ability to preview and start recording from the iSmart DV2 app that connects with Wi-Fi. On my Samsung phone, I had to tell it to connect anyway when it detected that the camera was not a source to the internet. After that, it worked great. It also mounted directly to the handlebars for a different point of view. The waterproof case allowed us to capture memories in the pool underwater, even if my cloudy water didn't really give the best impression. I mentioned using it as a dash cam for the e-bike, but there is a setting where you can connect via USB called Working, which will allow it to continuously be plugged in, and you could even use this as a dash cam if you wanted. If you want to get good quality video in a challenging environment where a phone just won't do, then this GA420 Action Cam by WOLFANG is just the ticket. But that's my point of view.